Yeah, I need to go live because you know Indian, this girl attack some so good. Actually, wait till the people them come in. Like on my chest was so cool, but what she don't know say a long time me so good. Deep choke, got bars, everything. Indian, me not tell him say a long time me so cool. My life. Yeah, but me so cool, a long time me so good. Deep choke, got bars, everything. Yeah, man, if you hear him do suck a pussy girl. Him don't do it. Him don't do it, brother. That's why you hurt though. You hurt because you get the eggs though. You hurt. You hurt. On the L part cry. So I'm so hungry because I'm hungry. Anyways, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna feed myself. Girl, him good liquor.
I just got started.
A small
what you think one round can do? Bumper to your forehead. Show me what your tongue can do. If you don't have it in a waist, you better have it in a face. Bright enough for you, look out for shine you. And you don't want tears. You have a clean mouth and your lips them sexy. Treat me like a bottle of Pepsi. Your back nana use and your face look cute. Deal with me like a back juice. Me say equal rights and justice. No ignorant people I go cuss this. My pussy tight cut up your cocky like cutlass. But if you want head my youth you have to suck this. Boy, me nah go compromise. Me want feel how your head feel between my thighs. Me want looking at your dreamy eyes. When you a chew on me pum pum like french fries. You never hear about foreplay. I'm modern times now boy relax, it's okay. If me ever bring it up in the group chat, you get the threesome for your birthday. Cause you have a clean mouth and your lips them sexy. Treat me like a bottle of Pepsi. Your back nana use and your face look cute. Deal with me like a back juice. Me say equal rights and justice. No ignorant people I go cuss this. My pussy tight cut up your cocky like cutlass. But if you want head my youth you have to suck this. Me love it when we man them brave up. Can of man of them good tongue I save up. That me like when you eat me right. When you do it me galang outrageous. Put your lips on me clip make me gear up. Let out you in a freak nobody cage up. That we like when you eat we right. When you do it we galang outrageous. You have a clean mouth and your lips them sexy. Treat me like a bottle of Pepsi. Your back nana use and your face look cute. Deal with me like a back juice. Me say equal rights and justice. No ignorant people I go cuss this. My pussy tight cut up your cocky like cutlass. But if you want head my youth you have to suck this. Me not afraid of nobody. And when me talk me not care who not like me. Me shave up my body. Me drink my pineapple juice nightly. Me take care of my body. So him supposed to name me nightly. Me no afraid of nobody who no like me. Them fi buy me. Cause you have a clean mouth and your lips them sexy. Treat me like a bottle of Pepsi. Your back nana use and your face look cute. Deal with me like a bag juice. Me say equal rights and justice. No ignorant people I go cuss this. Me pussy tight cut up your cocky like cutlass. But if you want end my youth you have to suck this.
Him don't do it. Him don't do it, brother. That's why you hurt though. You hurt because you get the eggs though. You hurt. You hurt. On the L part cry. Girl, him good liquor. I thought you really a customer. A small nigga girl me have to pretend for more. Me did say right. Girl, him good liquor. As you put down my chew up my swallow it.